Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we were going to help you to solve a common issue with Samsung top loader washing machine. It's not filling with water. So if your washing machine is not filling with water, there are a few things you can check to solve this issue. So let's get started. So first, make sure that the water supply valves are turned on. These are unusually located behind the washing machine. So if they are turned off, turn them on and try running the washing machine again. So like this. Now these valves are turned on. After that, if the water supply valves are on, the next thing is to check the water level control. So this is usually located behind the control panel. So make sure it's set to the correct level or the size of the load. Also, you can check the water level in your washing machine control panel. Here, if the lights are not blinking to any of the level, it means there might be an issue with this control panel. So you can contact to the technical support for further assistance. So another thing is to check the filters. Over time, they can become choked with dirt, water and dirts, so which can prevent the washing machine from filling water. So make sure to clean them regularly. So also you can clean your washing machine regularly, because sometimes the pipe and valves are choked. So to clean, you will see here in washing machine Eco Tub Clean. You can simply click on the cycle button to move to the Eco Tub Clean. After that, click on Start button to clean the washing machine itself. So now we move to our next step. So the next thing is to check the hoses. Make sure they are not kinked or blocked. If they are, straight them out to replace them if necessary. If you are still facing this issue, so it's time to contact for a customer care assistant. You can simply call the customer care of the Samsung washing machine by using a toll-free number or a live chat. After that, they will send an engineer at your home within 24 to 48 hours. After that, they will check your washing machine and then they will fix it. That's it. So if you have found this video helpful, so please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Goodbye.